Welcome to the enchanted land of Sikkim. तो आज हम चलेंगे एक रोड ट्रिप पे जो हमें लेके जाएगा फ्रॉम गैंगटॉक टू नामची एंड देन ऑल द वे टू रवांगला with some breathtaking spots along the way. So let's start this adventure. हमारी जर्नी शुरू होती है इन द सिटी ऑफ गैंगटॉक. Known for its serene monasteries, bustling markets, and vibrant places, Gangtok is the perfect starting spot for every Sikkim trip. If you like to know about the places you can visit in Gangtok, then check out this video, link in the description, and also you can click on the card above. So from here we are heading southwest, taking in all the fresh mountain air and the pristine landscapes as we make our way to our first destination, which is the famous Temiti Garden. Now Temiti Garden is nestled on the slopes of the mountain and it is the only tea estate in Sikkim, also one of the most picturesque tea estate all over India. Stretching over lush rolling hills, this tea garden produces some of the most finest organic teas, famous for their unique flavor. As you stroll through the rows of tea plants, you can breathe in the subtle aroma of fresh tea leaves. And the panoramic views, well, absolutely mesmerizing. Now, continuing our journey further, we arrive at the Samdukche monastery, which literally translates to the wish-fulfilling hill. क्योंकि यहाँ पे माना जाता है that if you make a wish with pure and good intention, the hill will make it true. Towering over the landscape is the giant 135-foot statue of Guru Padmasambhav, one of the tallest statues in Sikkim. The bright colors and the intricately designed statue are a sight to behold. The peaceful ambience here is perfect for meditation and introspection as well. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Next, we stop by a not so famous stop, which is a rose garden. Each step here will feel like walking through a natural painting with bursts of color and the fragrance of fresh flowers all around. It is like a hidden gem, but it is filled with vibrant blooms and scenic pathways. This charming spot invites you to just slow down, breathe, and take in a moment to appreciate all the mountain views. So if you are doing this road trip from Namchi towards Ravangla, then Rose Garden will fall on your way. Be sure to check this out. Our next destination is a very famous one, which is the Namchi Chardham. This is an impressive pilgrimage site because it brings together the replicas of 4 holy dham: Jagannath Dham, Dwarka Dham, Badrinath Dham, and Rameshwar Dham. There stands a towering 108 feet tall statue of Lord Shiva overlooking this complex, and it often offers a tranquil ambience to just look at the statue from afar. People generally visit Namchi for this Char Dham only, so it is a major attraction site of Namchi. Namchi was also the last stop of our day because our journey concludes here at the peaceful Ravangla Buddha Park. This is our hotel that we stayed in, and it is inside the park premises. The park is a beautiful place to unwind, reflect and enjoy the calm mountain views. This journey from Gangtok to Ravangla depicted the best of Sikkim's landscape. Each stop along the way offers something unique, from lush green tea gardens to the sacred monasteries and vibrant temples as well. I have thoroughly enjoyed this unique road trip, and if you are planning to visit Namchi and Ravangla, then you can also follow this route from Gangtok. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the heart of Sikkim as much as I did. So this is it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.